for a fun game of Would You Rather. Make tough choices about exciting things to do in summer. Ready to pick between awesome options? Let the fun begin. Round 1. Would you rather spend the whole day building sandcastles at the beach or splashing around in a pool? Do the matching dance of your choice. Would you rather have a picnic in the park or go on a nature hike to explore the woods? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 3. Would you rather eat ice cream every day for a week or have a different type of popsicle every day for a week? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 4. Would you rather have a water balloon fight with your friends or play a game of tag in the sprinklers? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 5. Would you rather go camping in the mountains or stay in a cabin by the lake for a weekend? Do the matching dance of your choice. Round 6. Would you rather spend a day at a water park with slides and lazy rivers or visit a zoo with lots of animals to see? Do the matching dance of your choice.
Robot Nation. Robot Nation. Robot Nation. Robot Nation.
Round 7. Would you rather have a treasure hunt in your backyard or go on a scavenger hunt at the park? Do the matching dance of your choice. Would you rather fly a kite at the beach or ride bikes along a scenic trail? Do the matching dance of your choice. Would you rather have a lemonade stand and sell refreshing drinks, or set up a mini garden and sell homegrown vegetables? Do the matching dance of your choice. Would you rather spend a day at a theme park riding roller coasters, or spend a day at a science museum exploring interactive exhibits? Do the matching dance of your choice. Thank you for playing. Subscribe to Mr. Alonso for more fun games.